Hello. Today we're going to put together the 3D pocket cards. Now these pocket cards are super cute. They're all Christmas related at this point in time. They're coming out over 2 separate weeks, so you might see things in this video that aren't quite available yet, but they will be soon. They're easy to assemble. Some are easier than others just because of the layering. So do a dry run of the layering first, just to make sure that you know what order things go together. I've included a little card which you can substitute with a gift card if you want to, or you can write a sentiment on the card that's there, or you could turn it into a place card. We're going to assemble the little penguin, and I've cut out and laid out all the pieces that we're going to use. And now we're going to assemble it. We're going to start with card base, and I just want you to notice all the score lines because we're going to have to fold those. So there's one across here at the bottom. We're going to fold that up. And then there's the two sides that make the pocket. This one's a funny shape, and that's because I don't want the glue interfering with the stand at the back. We're going to do the other side. And then we're going to flip it over. And can you see that score line along there? Well, we're going to fold that up first to make this stand. And we're going to fold it back. And then there's this little tab that holds it upright. And there's a little score line across there. And we're going to fold that. And then we're going to fold it back up. Let's flip it over and we'll make the pocket. So let's fold these in and we're going to apply adhesive here. Now I'm just using this Tombow. You might want to use something a bit stronger. And then just fold it up so that the edges are aligned and press down to make the little pocket. Now you can see why that tab is a funny shape. Otherwise you're going to put glue on that stand. Let's bring in that back panel and you can slide it into the pocket. Now let's put together the little penguin. And I'll just speed this up while I do a dry run of assembling the penguin. And that's how he's going to look when he's all done. Now we know that everything is there and fits together. We can do the real assembly. And I'm just going to pop this together with glue dots because it's really fast. You go ahead and use whatever adhesive you're comfortable with, and I'll speed this video up again. When I make these projects, I like to use 80-pound cardstock for the base, and I like to use 65-pound cardstock for all the little detail bits. And I should share with you that I've just found out that these glue dot dispensers are no longer made. I'm so sad, but at least you can still get the glue dots. All done. Now you can just slide him in the pocket on top of that background panel, or you can actually glue him to the background panel. Whatever you want to do. Now it might be good to add a little glue to the back of the panel so that when any card comes out of the pocket, you won't pull the whole panel out. Now you can put the little strip on here and add someone's name to it, or you can leave it off. You can use the card that comes with the design, or you can pop in something better. If you've added a gift card to the pocket, it might be a good idea to add the recipient's name on that little strip and attach it to the bottom of the card. And then you can pop the card into an envelope that's designed for a standard 5x7 card. And if you're going to display the card right away, you just flip it over, fold out the stand flap, and then fold the notched tab into position so it locks the stand. And there it is, all done. So let's give him a little twirl. And here's a snapshot of some of the pocket cards. I hope you like them. Thanks for watching. I hope you really enjoy this little project. And if you'd like to see more like it, then make sure you subscribe to my channel. And when you subscribe, make sure you hit the bell that gives you all the notifications. So thanks for watching. I'll see you again next time. Bye for now.